Hi everybody, Fortnite fans, take a look at this. Want to show you some edible and super easy DIY slurp juice that your kids can bring with them into a dark room and drink. It is super easy to make. I looked around, I saw some interesting recipes online that were a little difficult, so I came up with a really easy way, and it's really safe and it'll last the whole party. You want to start out with Blue Frost Gatorade or something that looks just like that from the store that the kids can drink. You're going to pour it into a jar that the kids are going to drink their slurp juice out of, and you can also find some with lids too, so you can seal them up and they can walk around with them. People can walk around with them at the party. You want to start out with some duct tape, some really heavy duct tape, and cut a couple of pieces off that would fit on the bottom of one of those ball glass jars. Next, you want to go get your glow sticks. I got these at the dollar store. They're super cheap. Take them, and your green ones, you're going to obviously snap them so they activate and you get that glow in the dark look. Then you turn them and squeeze them in a circle and then attach them to that super heavy duty duct tape and kind of move it around. Then make sure your glass will fit on top of it. Once that's done, I took some scissors and just kind of worked around the edges so you won't be able to see it on the bottom of the glass. It's almost like a little glow in the dark coaster that goes underneath your glass. Now when you're ready, you put it underneath, use that tape and just attach it underneath. In the light, it looks like your regular blue drink, but then what you do from there, you can take it into a dark room, and then all of a sudden the thing lights up, super glow in the dark. And even if you bring it into a completely dark room just like this, the kids can drink it. You can have it as part of your Fortnite party. We're putting a list below some of the other Fortnite things we made, including a loot llama and a dusty divot cake and some Fortnite cupcakes. Give us a thumbs up. Be sure to share this with your friends and comment below. Tell us what you want us to make next time.